Welcome to the INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store, and here in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, click close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now we can see here the information about our device battery temperature. In my case, that's 29.8 degrees. Also, we can find here more information like the battery level, health capacity, device voltage, Android version, model of our device, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.